So earlier today I was talking to one of my coworkers about the fact that I was going to be filming this video when I got home, or the intro, and that I'd filmed a video already. And I just felt so freaking silly, like when I was telling this to him, even though like we talk about our goals and he like totally supports me, but I just felt like really, I don't know, self-conscious, and like it was just felt silly. But maybe 30 minutes to an hour later, we were getting food and the lady who was serving us complimented my hair. And when she did that, I was like, oh, that is literally how I felt. And then not even 10 minutes later, we were somewhere else and another person complimented my hair. So I was like, this is not stupid. This is confirmation from the universe letting me know that this is not stupid and that this is something that I should share. So here we are. So I hope that little story wasn't too long, but this is all about sharing my journey throughout my 20s and my progress externally as well as internally. So if you want to learn how to do this hairstyle, which is the short passion twists, keep watching this video. I'm being like super indecisive when it comes to the angle of the camera and setting all this stuff up right now, so I'm just like, this is just gonna have to work and I need to get over myself. I'm Alexis and today I am twisting my hair. I'm doing short passion twists with the rubber band method and I'm already halfway through. I was gonna film the whole process, but my battery was dead, so I just wanted to give it some time to charge, eat a little something, take a nap, and here I am ready to do the front half. Like I said, my hair is already halfway done, so this is what I'm working with. The thing that I like about passion twists is that even when they unravel, my hair is like kind of like twisted around the braiding hair. I mean, obviously if you're like super like really looking closely, you can tell the difference between my hair and the braiding hair, but otherwise it kind of like blends seamlessly. The hair that I'm using is the Free Tress Braid Water Wave in 22" and this is in the color 2. So just to get you all caught up to speed with where I am in my process, the first thing that I do when I am going to twist my hair or braid my hair is part my hair into 2 sections, starting from the top of my ear all the way across to the other top of my other ear. So far I have like 1, 2, 4 or 5 rows of hair so far, and there really aren't that many braids. I just opened my second pack of hair. Not braids, twists. There really aren't that many twists. Obviously this is a how-to, I guess, but I'm really just doing my hair. So now with the front half, I like to start from the front and work my way back. I'm going to just like do a part across the first row in the front. Please excuse my hairy underarms, but I'm all about loving my natural. And I do remove my hair, but when I'm in a in-between period and my hair hasn't been removed, it's cool with me. My hair is super moisturized. I washed it like the day before yesterday, and I had it in just some little braids just to lock in the moisture because I knew that I wasn't gonna be doing my twists for a few days. The parts don't have to be perfect. I like to start on the ends and work my way to the middle. Like I said, my hair has already been like super moisturized. All I'm doing is like wetting it and I can see like the cream. For leave-in, I am using the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture rinse out or leave-in conditioner. Obviously I'm not sponsored by the Main Choice, but all of my hair products I'm using right now today are the Main Choice. I really like the Main Choice because I like natural products. Put some on my finger. I'm gonna moisturize my wet hair. And then I'm gonna go on with some oil. This is the Main Choice Multivitamin Scalp Nourishing Growth Oil. I love the way this stuff smells. Put a little bit on my roots, and then I like to put some on the ends. That's also, I feel like, the key to having your hair blend with the passion twist hair is making sure that your hair is like moisturized from, definitely making sure your ends are moisturized, because if your ends aren't moisturized, then I don't really think it's gonna work out too well for you. I got a rubber band and I am going to wrap it around the piece of hair. You can see where I am in my hair process, but I'm just gonna add this clip in probably in the beginning, just so you can see how I do the hair. You see the little like loops or whatever? I just go to where the hair just starts to curl on its own, and I just chop off the loops. And then I also go to the bottom where it's like, because obviously it starts to like taper more towards the bottom, and I'd rather have it be as even as possible. So I'm going to just take this and maybe like about here, and I'm just gonna chop off. And then this is what we're working with. Back to the video. So now that I've cut the hair to the length that I want, I just grab 2 pieces, and I'm just gonna kind of like just separate the hair a little bit with my fingers. Grab it like this in the middle. Then I take my crochet needle and I am going to put it through the middle of my little square of hair. And then I take my hair, put it on the crochet needle, close the hook, and pull it through, like not all the way. Then I just grab half of the hair and pull it through so that the hair is going through the box. Then I take my hair that's rubber band off, and oh man, usually I would just like squeeze, like pull my hair into 2 and like pull up, slide up, but I don't know, this is not working. But one thing I'm gonna do right now, let's see how this works. This is gonna be a little bit crazy. I took the rubber band off and I'm just gonna, this is not the usual way to do this, but it's the way I'm doing it right now. It's already dried up a little bit, so I'm just gonna wet it, split it into 2 pieces, grab the 2 ends of the twisting hair, and I'm just gonna start twisting. To keep it a little bit moist, I like put a little bit of water on my hands from the faucet, and then I also like to take, I forgot to mention my gel. This is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. This stuff smells so good too. So I'm just twisting it down, like I'll like kind of pull it taut every so often. I like to add some more twisting gel towards the end of the twist, and voila. Because I'm cutting the hair, the backs myself, they're not gonna be like, there are gonna be some like long stringy hairs towards the ends of the twist, so I just snip them off. Because of the way I cut the hair myself, I do like to like make sure it was like this. I like to flip like opposite ends touching. Balance is key. I got my crochet needle, put it through. Camera stopped. Grab my hair, hook it on, pull it through, grab 1/2 of the hair, grab my cute little tiny little baby hair right here, split it in 2, and because I didn't make the rubber band too tight, I can slide it all the way to the base. Keep my 2 sections of hair, grab the 2 sides of the hair, and I'm going to start to twist. I might like twist over the base a few times before I start to like move my way down just because I like to make sure that the rubber band is covered up onto the next. Almost finished. So the angle's probably a little different because my camera died, and yeah, but I'm on the last and final twist. This is a little bit of a thick piece of hair, so like a thick section, so I'm going to use 2.5 pieces. I used 2.5 pieces on the one next to it, so I'm also going to use 2.5 pieces on this one. I just wanted to go through the steps once more, wet my hands and wet my hair out. Just make sure it's nice and damp. Then I'm going to add some of my cream. Then I like to seal that in with the oil, so going ahead and putting oil on my scalp and roots, and then I'm also going to make sure that I get some oil towards the ends. Lastly, I'm going to take my twisting gels, then I'm going to take a rubber band, kind of loosely, like not too tight, grabbing my 2 pieces of hair. And like I said, I'm going to be using 2.5 pieces. I already have a half piece here. I'm going to just go through the middle of the base, add my hair onto my crochet hook, close the hook, pull it on through, put my fingers in the middle of the loop, grab half of the hair, pull that on through, and then, you know, balance it out, make it even. Grab my hair, split that in half, and pull to make the rubber band go down to make it tight. Grab both sections and just start twisting. Twist it on down. Jeez, it's hot. I'm so happy this is my last freaking twist, man. But like I said, this lasts me 3 or 4 weeks. So one day of slaving in this hot ass bathroom for a month of cute hair. Gonna add some hair accessories. Got these little stars that are so freaking cute here. I'm adding one more star. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you try this hairstyle, let me know in the comments, or even like send me a DM on Instagram. I think that would be pretty cool. Like, I want to see your hair if you do this. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and wow, why did this thing fit me on my face? And if you want to see more videos from me, more videos like this, be sure to subscribe because I would love to have you join the kingdom. I'm gonna get off this camera. I'm gonna go wash my face. Bye. Hairy armpit. Bye.